Would you like to review it? An anticipated signal has been identified for hashtag GOOG. Shall we delve in?
All right, hello ladies and gentlemen, how is everything cooking? So we've got our stream today again. What a nice time to be around. Let's trade with DAI. I've been actually trading today for the past hour and did some good results, but decided to go with the stream a little bit later because we've got a different account for this. Let me open it up so we can see what we are looking at. All right, here goes the chimney. So history, let's go with trading here. And let me grab the results here. So as you can see today, no history yet, but if we take a look at yesterday's history, which would be the 7th, we made 2 trades using the signals feature, which is presented on the screen now. And they were quite good, you know. Nothing really stressful. And so let's take a look. What do we have here? So we had some signals here since I started, which is about 5 minutes ago. And we've got some euro dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and the British pound. But they are alt for about 4 minutes now. Let's take a look at the British
I am loading
pound.
GBP US.
Let's see if it's still valid and if the signal is still available. All right. So what do we have here? Meanwhile, the AI generates the answers for
Philip.
us.
Based on the trend in the GBP USD pair, it appears to be in an upward movement. However, please note that I cannot provide financial advice. I can provide you with information to help you make an informed decision. Looking at the 5-minute data, the price is currently around 1.27214. The RSI is at 60.86, which indicates a moderate bullish momentum. The 1-hour data shows that the price is also in an upward trend, with the most recent close at 1.27214. If you're considering opening a trade based on the trend, you may consider a long position, buy, at the market price or wait for a retracement to a support level for a better entry. A potential entry price for a long position could be at the current market price of 1.27214. However, it's important to set a stop loss.
Oh boy, give me the stop loss. Yeah, I don't want to open it right now. It looks too at the top on the hills, on the peaks. I don't like that, but let's see what the AI thinks about a stop loss. For a potential stop loss level, you could consider placing a previous low below the support level, such as 26.89, 26.89. That would be, whoa, that would be way low here. That would be all the way down here. Or 26.969, 969, which would be over here. Well, that's a weird scenario here, because I don't like the idea to go for a trade right away. I think it's gonna retrace back to this level, to closer to the moving average. But the AI is suggesting that, you know, since the hourly data and 5-minute data are all up, she would go for long position now. All right, so let's okay, let's go in favor of the AI. Let's prepare a trading plan from starting from here. If you go deeper into the 1-minute showcase, let's put it around here. So get a little bit of cushion there. So that would be starting from here. And then we would close it on over here. So it's like 250 points, not bad. Let's go 1-to-1 to make it kind of fair. All right. Do you think it's gonna just push through? If it's gonna just push through, I'll just be like, wow. Again, another signal and another perfect match.
I have detected a potential signal for USD CHF. Would you like to take a look?
Yes, take a look.
Moving
and I'm gonna load
USD CHF.
I'm gonna load the British pound here in the meanwhile.
Hello, Philip. Based on the current data and the upward trend, there might be a potential opportunity to open a long trade. Entry price, 0.87623. Current price, take profit level, 0.87759. R1 Fibonacci level, stop loss level, 0.87539. S1 Fibonacci level. Please note that these levels are based on Fibonacci analysis and historical price movements. It's important to manage your risk and consider market conditions before making any trading decisions. Let me know if you need any further assistance.
All right, hang on a second. I'm gonna go back to the British pound.
Switching to GBP USD. What would you like to know about this asset now?
$250, yeah, $250. I'm wondering, what am I looking at here? Strange. All right, 26980. Sorry, I'm a little bit confused. 26980. Aha, I see. Okay. Yeah, I finally get it. So we decided to put it in 26980, which would be around here. Oh, that's a little bit deeper. All right. I don't think we will actually get that, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the trade is prepared, but it seems to be just flying. Well, what a day. So back to the Swiss franc. What did we have here?
Ready to return to USD CHF. Just let me know what would you like to discuss.
Hello, for the based on the current data and the 20 long trade entry price, please no explanation at all. Well, it's coming up. Yep, it's going there. It's definitely an upward momentum. What do you think? What's this line over here? Will it get to the moving average over here? I think it's I don't know, man. It's difficult to say. But needless to say, I think it's a good, you know, it's in the fall, in the waterfall. But hey, let's follow the AI. Giving us a signal, let's go with the signal. And let's put the take profit. What did she suggest? Take profit 87, 623, 623, 623. Well, it's a really small one. She's trying to put it just above those 3 lines. But hey, we will go with that. And we will also prepare another trade on the stop loss level here. 759, 759, which was actually now 77. Sorry, 7539. 539, which would be around here. All right. Ready. All good, all set. Let's fly. So how is everyone doing? What's going on, guys? How is your day so far? Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. The worst part of the week is after us, or behind us. Monday, all gone. So we are now waiting and hatching another eggs of signals that will flow into our chat, and we will take advantage of them. So what I did here right away was that I have, you know, put the buy. I sometimes do that. You know, working with the AI and the signal feature, it's a little bit new to me as well, since, you know, I've completed this feature last week. But being able to learn with it, it's quite good. So what I found out is that many times it's really good to open up the trade right away if the AI tells you, like, you know, open a long position right now, 623. You know, current price, that was, you know, since that was this it was on the previous 5-minute candle, so, you know, the data was a little bit delayed, but it's okay. Current price, we actually helped in a better spot. And then taking care the stop loss, and also open another position in the stop loss place, because most of the times it actually does a better job from the stop loss. And actually, it is actually the place where it bounces off and takes flying. Okay, 539. Let me put it a little bit higher because of the spread, because we want it to hit. So I'm gonna go like this, 45. You know, there's a spread difference between buy and sell, so yeah. All right. So we are also streaming this to YouTube and Facebook, so if you want to go ahead and give us like there and follow, that would be really appreciated. Also follow here on TradingView. And if you want to get your hands on the AI, as always, remember, our TradingView profile, there is every single info you need to read to be able to use it as well. By the way, I think I have enabled here gold, so for anyone looking for gold signals, it will be coming to this chat. I've got Apple, I've got Google, I've got Tesla, and that's pretty much it. That's what I'm interested in. So yeah, when using this AI signaling feature, you have to enable the particular assets here by clicking on the red dot, which will turn then to green. And when it turns to green, it's enabled, and the AI will be sending you signals whenever there is something on the horizon. So, you know, and please don't try to enable all of them, because I've tried it and you're just flooded. It's just like constant stream of messages. And yeah, it's not really nice. It's not meant to be an overwhelming tool, you know what I mean? So I was actually trading. What was it? I was trading. It was the British pound actually.
I'm moving back to GBP USD.
And I was
How
trading.
may I assist you?
The AI told me to go for long. It was in here, so I put a waiting order over here, just a little bit, you know, under this candle, and it opened up, and I took profit in this level. And apparently I could have held it for a little bit longer because I was looking for this
A signal
support
seems to
here.
be forming for USD CHF. Care to explore further?
Yeah, that's what we were just looking
Returning
at,
to
AI.
USD CHF.
What do you have? What's the matter here? A signal, the previous was like 5 minutes ago.
Philip. Based on the current data and the recent trend, it appears that the USD CHF pair has been trading in a range between 0.875 and 0.877. At the moment, the price is hovering near the upper end of this range, suggesting a potential opportunity for a short trade.
Interesting.
Considering that
So after the, what was the first signal here? There was 29. So now it's like 7 minutes, 8 minutes later, and we are getting 6-7 minutes later, and we are getting a signal in the opposite direction, suggesting a sell going from now to 740. Could be another entry price. So yeah, is aiming for this place down here. Sounds quite fun. But if we do this, that will be hedging, and we will have open trades in both directions, not making real sense, you know. 7650. But since it's bound in a range now, I think we could prepare at least a sell position, you know, taking advantage of this area here and just do bounce offs, you know, multiple trades in the zone. So I think that could also work. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare a trade here for a sell if it goes back to this zone. So it'll be like 630, 630. 630. So that's where our take profit is actually sitting. All right. Let me fiddle with the numbers here. Let's go. Okay. There we go. Now you put the take profit in around this level, and the stop loss would be around the upper part of this. Yeah, I think that's appropriate. 63 points and 61 points. 1-to-1 ratio. All good. You're ready. Ready and loaded. Let me get my coffee here. I'll put it on autopilot here for a second. I'll get my coffee. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, back in the studio. There we go. Back in the studio. What's cooking? Seems like the trade is not moving at all. It's like nothing happening in there. All right. Yeah, sounds reasonable. Could have waited, right? Well, we've got the waiting order below here too. If it clicks there, we'll hop on. Oh, we are silent
JPY.
here.
Fancy a look?
But nothing else arrived. Japanese, let's go.
USD JPY.
Let's go. So what's cooking in here? Uptrend. Now we've got some kind of a range bound move. And accumulation.
Sure, Philip. Based on the data provided, it appears that USD JPY is currently in an upward trend.
Boom,
To
we
take
are in
advantage of this
profit.
trend,
Take a look, we're in profit, almost $1. Boom. There we go. Good signal, good signal.
since the price is currently trading around 143.209, you might consider
entering a trade slightly above this level, such as 25. Okay. All right, let's go with the stop loss. Stop loss is over here. You know what you see what I'm doing here? I'm going for the stop losses here. You know what? Actually, no. Let's go with the double trades as well. So let's go Japanese. One buy right now, and the other one is at 1,430. Stop loss 0.66. 0.66. So that's around here. All right. Another buy. So a little bit higher because of the spread. And boom, there we go. We're doing this double game. 100 points minus 100 points. No, it's 100 points. Then 100 points. Boom. One trade or another. Same here. Stop loss. Come on. Like that. And like that. Boom. Alright. Let's go with the take profit over here. And another stop loss would be around. I think around here. Well, you want to put the stop loss also under here. Alright. Hang on a second. My dogs are just crazy. Outside, I gotta check the situation. There's something wild going on. Look after the trades. I'll be right back. Okay guys, back in the studio. So, what's going on with the trades? Getting a little bit of loss again? Oh, no way. That's not possible. The AI should be perfect. It should be like an Oracle machine. Oh my god, I thought I'm gonna get my Lambo tonight. Jeez, man. Doesn't look like it anymore. It'll get there. It will actually get there. So we are playing with the Swiss franc. That's the other one, right? Yeah. Let's give it a moment. What coffee did I take today? It's the It's with some leaves, like to give it a little bit different taste. It's like there's some herbs in there. Tastes good actually. It's not bad. All right. So what's with this camera here? It seems like I should put it a little bit higher here to get my face. Yep, that's better. Okay. So we're just sitting here waiting for the market to behave. It should be any moment now. Any moment it should be like bam, take profit, bam, take profit. And we are also waiting for another signals here. This is how we operate. The AI we have built. Market mentor to the go. Woo. Yeah, let's go. All right, there we go. What's that? Swiss franc pumping up. Let's go. I want to see you rise. I want to see you go all the way to the top here. Be like an Empire State Building. Uncollapsing from the ashes. Growing to the sky. That's the limit. Come on. Let's go. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Or how was it in the Wolf of Wall Street? Mm-hmm. 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 Everybody know. Mm-hmm. 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 Just messing around. All right. Come on, give us some more signals. You want to do some more trades in here? Or should we just shuffle through and just kind of see what's going on here? I'm gonna quit my messenger here. What's going on? So we don't have any audio interruptions here. Let's go. Let's take a look what's cooking with the gold. Someone was asking for gold yesterday.
Moving to gold. What would you like to know?
Let's look it up. All right, that's messy today, I presume. And it's still falling. I remember several streams ago, someone was asking like, "Oh, I'm longing the gold." And if I take a look at the graph, if you were longing since last week from Friday, before this pump, you would be pretty down now. So I guess, what's the trading plan here? What can you tell me about it? Let's see.
Based on the latest data for gold, it appears that the price is currently ranging between the levels of 1,926.275 and 1,927.905. The RSI indicator is showing a value of 44.38, indicating a neutral state in terms of buyer or seller pressure. Since the market is ranging, it might be more challenging to identify a clear trend at the moment. With that being said, it would be advisable to wait for a clear breakout or reversal signal before entering a trade.
So you just open
If
a
there
buy.
is a bullish breakout.
You open a buy, you open a sell, you win both, you know? That's a win-win scenario there. I like that. Yeah. No, I mean, you know, it's like you can just go double trouble, right? All right, let's
For NZD USD.
let's make the signals
for a
roll
closer
in. Let's go.
Loading AUD USD.
Let's go. Come on. We want to see the trades here. All right.
Hello, Philip. Based on the current trend, it appears that the AUD-USD pair is in an uptrend. However, before entering a trade, it is important to consider the overall market conditions and any potential key levels or indicators. Given the uptrend, you may consider going long, buying, on AUD-USD. Here is a potential trading scenario. Entry price. If the price breaks above the resistance level at 0.65164, you could consider entering the trade around 0.65170. Take profit. For the take profit level, you could consider targeting the next.
I see. Okay, so let's go. Stop loss would be 65085. 65085. It's over here. Let me put a buy limit there, put a little bit higher because of the spread. Okay. And let's see. Stop loss. Take profit. All right. Modify. Let's go. So that would be for our, I'm gonna put it into this zone. So this could yield around $4. Stop loss. below this one. It's like 60 points. Let's make it also 60 points, okay? Let's put it over here, yeah. So we've got another waiting order there. And why is there no, you know, we didn't put any take profit and stop loss on this one. Let me clear that out. Because we want to be sure we are covered in here. All right, so stop loss would be over here. Take profit would be over here. So it'll be something over here, and this one would be like over here. Yeah, something ish like that. All right, everything is set. Everything is set and clear. Then we had another signal in New Zealand dollar. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Take a look at this boy.
Hello, Philip. Based on the data you provided, it appears that the NZD-USD pair has been trading within a range on the 1-hour time frame. The price is currently near the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, suggesting a potential overbought condition. Considering the current trend and the fact that the RSI is around 36.67, indicating a bearish sentiment, it may be prudent to wait for a confirmation of a reversal before considering a trade. If the price breaks below the lower band of the Bollinger Bands and confirms a downtrend, it could be a signal to open a short position. In this case, you may consider entering the trade around 0.60405 with a potential take profit level at the support level around 0.60344. However, please note that this is just an opinion based on the current
I don't have an idea. It looks like it could slow down again. I don't know. It's still trying to hit those lows and lows and lows. I have no clue. I don't know. But I also think like it can break above and go and check this level again. I'm not messing with this one. I don't think it's a good choice to go in here. I think we'll just leave it as it is. Yeah. We'll just leave it as it is. All right. So what's finally happening with the Swiss franc? Jesus, can you move a little bit? Like, are you building up here and are you gonna skyrocket here? Is that what's gonna happen? And same with the Japanese. So you either go down and we take another buy there, or you just go up and clear this range here. Guys, come on, do something. Don't be lazy dogs. All right.
Discuss.
But it seems like the Swiss franc here is building some kind of a accumulation / support zone. If you take a look at what happened, you know, here it arrived in this destination, retraced back, again tried to surpass this, nothing happened, got a little bit of push over here, we got a little bit lower here, but still, you know, since then we are just building up, you see. So I don't know, seems like someone could say that this is the capitulation flag, but I don't know, man. Could be, who knows. We'll definitely know soon. Definitely know soon. Well, is there anything present on the Japanese as well?
Changing back to USD/JPY. How can I assist you?
So this is a flag that is actually building up. This is the pole. So you've got the pole over here. And then you've got the flag, which is like that. You see? Man. Looks like this. All right. That's a really good flag. And then we had also one flag over here. Look at it go. It's another flag. That was again. So it seems like we've got just multiple flags in here. Yeah. Seems like a flag city. Alright.
I'm moving back to USD CHF. How may I assist you?
Alright. So what's cooking with you guys? How's your day today? How is your week going so far? Everything's good? Everyone's doing great? I hope you do. And I hope we will make some decent cash out of those trades. And I hope some more trades will actually come through and become profitable. We've got the waiting order for the British pound. Let's look it up. GBP USD.
Switching to GBP USD. What would you like to know about this asset now?
So when we got the signal, what was the time? Let me scroll back here a little bit. It was the British pound. Here we go. British pound. That was 527.27. So it was over here. It was in this top layer. And then we moved a little bit up and then back down to this potential resistance level. And we're just swirling around. Again, it's like, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. in the graph. The markets are getting lazy, and it's not as attractive as it goes during lunchtime, for example, and so on. So, yeah. There we go. And then we've got the waiting for order for the Australian dollar. And that looks like Australian
Ready
dollar.
to return to AUD USD. Just let me know what would you like to discuss.
We are waiting for a buy around this level, right? Or USD 93. That'll be, if I'm not mistaken, it's around this level. All right. Sounds great. Let's fly with that. Okay. I need to create a screen here on the stream where I can just go off the camera and just let the
moving back to USD CHF.
Let the trades live here.
What can I tell you about it?
And I'll actually upgrade this, I guess, tomorrow after I'm done with the stream. Because if I go to the autopilot, there is no screen for the trades. Kind of sucks. We are about 36 minutes into the stream now, and what was the maximum profit we had? It was like $1 on each, so it would be like $2. Yeah, we'll see about this one. There's still potential to grab the other buy order we are waiting for to be opened over here somewhere. Yeah. Trading game is the ultimate game to get some extra income. I mean, trading can become your full source of income, absolutely. You just gotta be, patient and have a strategy, stick to it. It's a job like any other out there. In the terms of, keeping with the or in a business, I would say rather. Keeping up with the strategy, keeping up with the terms you set up for yourself. Be self-aware and have some kind of a self-due diligence, Yeah. What games do you play, guys? What's your favorite games you play? Does anyone play the new Diablo? I've just heard, I've seen the tweet, or should I say the X, from Elon Musk. He was actually congratulating to Blizzard Entertainment for making a great game. And then someone asked him, like, are you sure that Diablo 4 is a great game? It was like, well, actually, Diablo 1 and 2 were, I think he wrote like excellent, or yeah, Diablo 1 and 2 were excellent. I didn't like Diablo 3, but Diablo 4 is great. I don't know, I've played thousands of hours on Diablo 2. really... Hi, Luigi. How is it going? I played a lot of Diablo 2. So my favorite characters were either Sorcerer or Druid, or sometimes Necromancer, and I had plenty of fun. I always tried to, with Necromancer, to go for a build that will allow me to just raise an army of dead, like 50 skeletons following me, my personal army, and just storm the premises. Yeah, that was fun. We used to play this on LAN with my friends. Yeah, we got together. Good, it's JJ Trader. Hey, JJ Trader. Gotcha. Nice. Awesome. Welcome to the stream. You want to hop in? Would you like me to invite on the stage? We can definitely have some talks here if you want me to. Let me know. I can bring you in if you want your time to shine here, and we can talk about, you know, trading and stuff. Oh, damn it. I'm moving with my lines here. Okay. So the the Swiss franc is falling down a little bit, getting below the structure over here. So I'm thinking like it'll probably hit the other buy we have there. What's happening with Japanese?
I'm moving back to USD JPY. How may I assist you?
Japanese are rallying up. Since this pair has the same common currency, which is dollar in the, you know, beginning, they should elevate each other. So if the Japanese go up, it should grab the Swiss franc as well. Of course, this is not a rule. If it was,
USD CHF.
If it was, everyone would be a billionaire by now. But there is some connection definitely in there.
Ready to return to USD JPY. Just let me know what would you like to discuss.
All right. Let's go. So as you can see, since it's a little bit later, you know, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. in the graphs, there's not much movement right now. It's just super lazy. And we're just kind of like waiting here on the train, you know, to arrive to our destination. It's like, oh, jeez, man, come on. But yeah, it's so this tool I'm using is something, you know, for those of you who are new here. Hello, everybody. I'm glad that you're looking for AI to help you, and thanks for coming to the stream. So my name is Philip, and I have built this tool called Market Mentor AI, and it's an AI basically attached to the markets in a real time, and it can analyze the markets for you. It knows some statistics. It knows a bunch of things that can elevate your trading and make you a better trader, do better decisions, can prepare trading scenarios for you, take profits, stop losses, entry positions, and so on, tell you trends. It also has economic news detection, and so on. So it's a really good tool to elevate your trading game and, you know, have more fun, be more safe, and basically in general, like having a buddy to talk about trading in general. So this is a tool I've been working on for quite some time now, and those streams I'm trying to show you how I am using it personally and how I'm trading with it. And I'm trying to build this August challenge where I would like to show people that you're absolutely able to make 15% up on your portfolio in a month by using this AI for your trading. So yeah, we're working on that. It's work in progress. And, you know, I should probably stream a little bit earlier because those times it's just lazy. It's just nothing is happening here. I don't like this, you know. I told the chat before.
Changing back to USD CHF. How can I assist you?
I actually traded the British pound.
Changing back to GBP USD. How can I assist you?
The AI gave me an idea to open up a long trade over here. So it was actually sitting something like here. So I put a waiting order over here, you know, given this trend line. And it opened up. As you can see, there was a little bit of loss for a while, for like 2-3 minutes, but then it just rallied up and I took profit over here. Really good trade. But that's on my another portfolio. It's not here. Michael Barra 3. Hey, nice to meet you, man. How would you use this for scalping shorter time frame with custom indicators? So you mean like 1 minute time frame? Well, let me tell you something. It gets harder when you go to 1 minute time frames. The AI is good, but you would actually have to select assets that you would like to analyze, because right now I'm pumping around almost 100 assets into it in real time, all of them, and it's quite a data. Believe it or not, it's quite a chunk of data that you have to process every single period of time. And if you would be doing this like periodically, let's say every 2-3 seconds, it would be really rather difficult. It's not just about the computational power you can get your hands on. You can definitely get a huge server and just run the numbers, but it's also about the APIs delivering you the data. Sometimes there is some delays and so on, and it kind of gets complicated. So I thought about that, and I was thinking like maybe it's not suitable for like a minute trading. It's suitable for like...
Our system has identified a likely signal for NZD/USD. Want to investigate?
Let's go. Let's take a look. So honestly, I think the AI is good for like 5 to 30 minutes time frames, trading. And then for long term, if you want to go like days, that's also good. You can switch here to long term analysis and just go with whatever she tells you. So that's good. But if you go shorter than 5 minutes, it starts to get messy. I'm not saying, it's not possible, but you will have to focus on like 5 assets only to kind of give you the right decision-making patterns. And because bear in mind, the AI also takes some time to analyze the data and give you the answer. And, so yeah, you would have to build a different model, different mindset on that. And I hope that answers your question in certain context. Let's take a look on, we've got the NZD/USD. Not yet. Let's go with the
ready to return to NZD/USD.
That's a good question. That's a good question, Michael. Let me just...
Hello, Philip. Based on the data you...
Let me just give the AI space to kind of communicate us through. So as I was saying before, I didn't like it. The AI was suggesting to go for short from somewhere around here to go all the way to here, I believe, something like that. And I said, I don't see it there yet. So maybe did it change? Did she change her mind? Trading decision should take potential enterprise. Wait for a break below 645. Yeah, she's sticking to the plan. She wants us to go for a short with the break below over here. So we will just leave a note here. I don't like it, but we will leave a note here and see how it goes into the future. So, oh geez, it's 6 already. 6. I'll have to go, guys. Sorry. So thank you. Could I have analyzed 20 AMA and 200 MA across our strategy opportunities for multiple currency pairs? Well, I find it, if you take a look, the graphs are defaulted with 50 and 200 MA actually. And I find it quite good, so you can see there is the crossings are right over here, which actually bounded us to a downtrend. Then we had over here that was fake. Then we had another downtrend over here, which was quite good. So, I'm thinking that I'll actually build this into the AI. I've got there's secret sauce behind all of this and some knowledge that I've been building over the years. But yeah, sure, I've, been building algorithms for trading before the AI. So I do take advantage of this knowledge and I'm combining it together. So I'm also thinking about maybe, I don't know, there is something for Tesla. We'll have a look. I'm also thinking about, inputting this. I actually thought about it yesterday, man. I wouldn't go for 20 and 200. You think it's better? 20 and 200? It gets a little bit earlier, right? It would get probably over here, right? Probably over here, and so on, right? Because it's a little bit faster. But I don't know. I like to stick with the 50 and 200. What do you think? So yeah, sure. I'm thinking about, you know, building this into the AI, but then probably you would have it here in settings. There would be like a AI signaling, and you could enable, you know, like the there is a secret sauce for the for those signals I'm generating right now. It's based on one of my algorithms I have built it with my father, actually, who is also a really great guy and an analyst, and he's super smart about trading stocks and stuff. And we always put our heads together and come up with solutions for this. So we've built this algorithm that detects potential breakouts, and you know, it then feeds it to the AI. The AI gives its ideology over that, and then it generates the signals if it's right. But I was thinking that we could also implement this strategy here, and then the AI would tell you actually, like, you know, it appears that a MA crossing is shaping up for, you know what I mean, and it will actually tell you even the direction. Then it will head to the AI. Yeah, I think it's a really good idea, man. I'll definitely think about this and put it into the pipeline of investigation, and it makes sense. I'll build it into the system. It definitely makes sense. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. If you know, let me know here on TradingView. I could get you, you know, definitely into the system. If you want to use it, just hit me a personal message and we can talk. Because thank you for the idea and for giving something into the game. Let's take a look at the Tesla here.
Hey.
All right, so what's shaping up here?
Hello, Philip. Based on the data provided, it appears that hashtag TSLA is currently in a downtrend. The recent price action is showing lower highs and lower lows, indicating a bearish sentiment in the market. If you're looking to open a trade...
So the AI is suggesting to go for short here around this level, basically, where we're sitting at right now. With a take profit around 244, which would be, yeah, on this little peak over here. Oh, I guess could be, yeah. All right, so what's happening with the Swiss franc here? It's just like undecisive, right? It's like slowly moving down. And the Japanese, they had some bullish run a little bit, I presume. Yeah. All right, let me get back to MetaTrader to see where we're sitting at. So we're almost closing at the take profit for Japanese, but not for the Swiss franc. It seems like it will actually open up the other buy proposal here, which is great. All right, I'm probably gonna close it because I gotta go, guys. I got some appointment in like 20 minutes. And since one of the streams ago last week, I am not leaving the trades on because that's what I did with the British pound, and it completely, you know, obliterated the account. We actually had a really good run. Let me show you. So we actually had a really good run here, and as you can see, look at the trade. So if you take a look, the probability, you know, so we started with a deposit of $1,000, and you know, look at the trades. You know, good one, you know, a little bit of loss, good one, 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 a little bit of loss, a little bit of loss, good one, good one, good one, good one, good one, you know. And then we had this Japanese one. There was something happened in the markets, and it was just like, it was 8 p.m. and suddenly, boom, a huge candle with like 1,000 points downwards without any news or anything, nothing I was aware of. That was kind of, you know, shitty situation, but yeah, it happened. Then we also had some good rounds here and a bad one again. Then, you know, some on and offs. Then again, a good streak, you know. And then we had this British pound here, which just obliterated the whole account. And no, you know, if it wasn't for this one, we would be in a little bit of loss. But, you know, bear in mind that there's been 2 huge troubles. This was a human error. This was actually a human error that I didn't set up a good take profit. It's actually recorded on the previous streams. And it's funny. I'm going crazy there. I'm like, what happened? Why did I set up this? Yeah, what happened? And then this one was unlucky. You know, that can happen sometimes. We couldn't do really much about that. But yeah, if it wasn't for those 2 effed up trades, we would be really good. But still, you know, I'm quite sure that we can actually grow this portfolio to. So the August challenge started with what we have left after the first week of testing and streaming and stuff. And what do I oh, we're actually doing pretty good now. And I don't know what I wanted to say. I'm looking at the numbers and it's really good. And yeah, so we started with like 956 something. And then we had the minus with the British pound, and now we're collecting our money back, and I'm quite sure we will get back to 1,000, which will be around the 15% at the end of the day, by the end of the month. So yeah, come on, what's happening? So Japanese are rallying up. I like that. The Swiss franc is not rallying up that much. It's actually getting lower and lower and lower. But I think we will just hit the another buy position here and just fly up again. But what can I do about that? You know, I said before I'll close it around $1. Since now it's a little bit better, we'll take I don't know, $3-4. Yeah. Those late night trades are just sometimes they get really tiresome. Yeah. There we go. All right. So let me close this up. I'm gonna clean after myself. And let's see. So we got $3 because this hit. That was quite of a jump. But hey, good $3 again, you know. It was just almost an hour of you know, trading. And with yesterday, we are closing up at around $5.39. And it will get better, I hope, because we will definitely start trading during like the lunchtime, which, you know, it gets a little bit more aggressive. So we will have better results. So all good. I like it. It's profitable. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Michael. I appreciate it. You know, and it'll get better. Believe me. It's just, you know, this time of the day, it's not the best for scalping. You probably know that because the markets are slow and it could get really lazy and it's not such fun. All right, guys, take care. Thanks everybody who came to the stream, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. All right, guys, see you.